Meet the painted stork, a large, eye-catching bird found near wetlands and flooded fields. It has a long yellow bill that curves downward, like an ibis. And adults are mostly white with black stripes on their wings and a splash of bright pink on the lower back feathers. Look closely and you'll spot an orange face, pink legs, and a speckled band across the chest. Young storks are duller, with brownish feathers and no chest band. In flight, they're easy to spot, with their head and neck hanging low, almost below the belly. These storks love company, often nesting in noisy colonies alongside other waterbirds. The painted stork, a beautiful symbol of life around our wetlands. The painted stork, nature's colorful masterpiece.